Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be looking at the frequency range of a guitar. So I have my guitar recorded. I've created a loop on my board, the valeton GP200. We will use that as a reference for comparison. And you can drop us your comments to tell us what you think about this particular demonstration. So let's get started. The frequency range of a guitar ranges between 80 Hz to 5000 Hz. In some cases, the lower percentile can be 80 to 100, or let's say 80 to 200 or 250, depending on the kind of guitar and the kind of tone or whatever they are working on. So you can keep that in mind. But the upper range always stays the same. It's always 5000. Over here, I have a clean preset. The link to this particular preset will be in the description. I would be using the cabinet and the global EQ because those two work hand in hand. My low cut is at 92 Hz and my high cut is not at 5000 Hz, but it is at 12,000 Hz. My global EQ is flat basically. My low cut on the global EQ is 20 Hz. My high cut on the global EQ is 20,000 Hz. So 20123. So it's basically flat. So let's demonstrate. That is how it sounds like right now. Let me put this at 100 Hz, my low cut on the global EQ, hit enter, and I'll put my high cut at 5000. And then after that, I'll come to my high cut on the cabinet and put this at 5000. Now let's hear the difference. So basically, this is the frequency range of the guitar, but because sometimes we want some of the overtones and some level of brightness to be added to the tone, that's why sometimes you would see in my tones I have like 5000 or let's say 7200 or 8000 or like something like that. So now I've changed the high cut to 12,000 and my global EQ is still between 100 Hz and 5000 Hz. So 100 Hz and 5000 Hz. So let's see how that sounds too. So I would revert this back to 220 and put this at 20,000. And I'll wait for your comment in the description to see which one you prefer, and I'll make a decision based on that.